Welcome back, family, friends, and fans. It's Karma Lately, and I'm so excited to have you guys back today. We're going to go right into this quick and easy sewing tutorial. Um, Graduation season is upon us, and so I made this cute little graduation notebook as a filler for a gift so that even if I have a regular gift, there's a special touch of me in the gift. And also, by the way, this is also an upcycle project. So if you want to see how I did it, stay tuned. Let's get right into it. I have a piece of cardstock. It's got these cute little graduation hats on them. And also, I'm using this marble notebook. It's my daughter's scribble notebook. I love to upcycle. You guys know this about me. So I'm taking this opportunity. I found a couple of pages that she did not scribble on, and I am going to cut these out. Now, I believe it was about 6 pages, and these 6 pages will be folded once the book is done. So that's 12 pages. And if we talk about each page half, back to back, then it's really 24 pages. So I thought this was a cute little idea, and it's small. You can put it in your pocket, you can do whatever, and so that's what's happening. So we're gonna take our cardstock, we're gonna fold it in half, try to do it as evenly as possible. And then we're going to take our notebook paper and we're going to fold it, we're going to measure it on the cardstock. I almost forgot to do that. That's why you saw the scissors in my hand. But we're going to measure it onto the cardstock. And what I did was I measured the paper to be just a little shorter and a little narrower than the cardstock, because I want the cardstock to be the most prevalent in the little notebook. And if you have a cutting mat, or if you have like a special paper cutter, you should use that. I have one. I just wanted to do this by hand. So there you see the cardstock is a little more prevalent. And now on this side, we just have to cut it to be even with the other side. Once we do that, we're ready to roll. And this is like easy. You can add more paper and you can make your cardstock bigger, obviously. It's a very easy project. This is fun to do with the kids. It's a great project for beginners, and I had fun doing it. So now my paper is measured exactly how I want it to be, and now I'm going to put it in the machine. Now, here's the tip that I did not do. You should have a longer stitch on your notebook. I didn't do that. I had shorter stitches, and what that does is it's not going to give you the most durability. Your pages are probably going to tear. So you want to have longer stitches to provide for a longer life for your notebook. So that's the takeaway from this. I positioned my needle right at the middle where the fold is on the cardstock, and I dropped my presser foot. Just make sure you align everything so the paper is exactly where you want. If you want to use paper clips to secure the paper onto the cardstock, you can do that as well. And again, I positioned my needle right where the middle of the crease was on the paper. On the cardstock. And I went all the way down the middle, tried to keep it as straight as possible. I did a quick little back stitch before I lift the presser foot, lift the needle, and cut the thread. So there, you see how small those are? Not ideal. You want to make yours longer. And so next time I do this project, I'll do the stitch length longer. This is the Brother XR3340, and I do have a video with the stitching, how to make the stitch longer, but it's really easy, and it's in your manual if you have this sewing machine. I absolutely love this sewing machine, and I'm not getting sponsored by Brother, but this sewing machine really is amazing. So sorry that the graduation hats are upside down here in the video, but that's it. And it's you can dedicate it, and it's cute, it's easy. I hope you guys try it and let me know how you did it. If you have any tips for me, please like, subscribe, comment below, and share your process with me. Also, this video, I want to give a shout out to my sister Smiley Empowerment. She has a YouTube channel as well, and she is inspiring, she coaches, she's motivational, and I'll give a description for her channel below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate your time and attention.